We're very pleased to kick off our public education campaign called Let's Grow Kids, focus on the first years. We think it's a beautiful logo, and we hope that you guys approve of it. You know, some of us have asked already, they've asked the question, why do you need the campaign? Why do we need a public education campaign about early childhood? And we know that new science tells us that the early years of development are so very critical to healthy development and to laying the foundation for future success. We're very pleased and honored to have Dr. Joe Hagan here with us today, who's going to talk a little bit more about brain development in the early years in just a bit. We also have recent research that tells us that Vermonters have no real understanding about how much is going on during those early years and how critical the development of young children is to laying the foundation to future success. Additionally, Vermonters are unaware of how well we're doing to setting children on the right path to success, how well we're doing preparing them during the early years in order for them to have healthy relationships, succeed academically, and to become productive, contributing citizens in adulthood.